you ready to take your ICT career to the next level? Look no further than our AI course from ValgrAI. Led by expert instructors from computer science, you'll gain a comprehensive understanding of AI, machine learning, and deep learning. Our course is designed to provide you with a solid foundation in these technologies, enabling you to develop all types of applications and solutions using the latest tools in these areas. You'll cover topics like data processing and analysis, predictive modeling, and using unstructured data sources such as images, audio, and signals for classification, regression, and segmentation. You'll also learn about recommendation and content generation systems and how to use this knowledge to develop end-to-end solutions. Our online course offers the flexibility to learn at your own pace, and with synchronous tutoring sessions with our instructors, you'll have the support you need to succeed. This specialization course will equip you with the skills and knowledge you need to stay ahead in the ever-evolving world of technology. Don't miss out on this opportunity to advance your career. Sign up for our AI course from ValgrAI today and take the first step towards mastering the latest AI tools and technologies. ValgrAI, Valencian Graduate School and Research Network of Artificial Intelligence.